$5, $14, $5 again, $20, $34. These people are being paid simply by watching videos. All you have to do is go to... What's up everybody, this is Joyce here, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to make money online watching YouTube videos. This method works in 2022 and is available worldwide. And as you can see, there are many people who are actually getting paid by PayPal, Payeer, Paytm. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you skip or leave early, you will be missing out on key steps on how to make money online using this method. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Joyce and I make videos that help you make money online. So if videos like this interest you, do subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's jump into it. So guys, in order for you to actually make money online watching YouTube videos, you need to do some work first. I will elaborate more in steps, and there will be 6 steps in total that you need to pay attention to, and everything that we will be using will be free. So everyone can do this and you should not be having any problems after this video. So step number 1 is we need to actually find a video that is entertaining to watch and is viral. Because if a video follows these characteristics, more people are going to watch this video and the more money we are going to make. So there are actually 2 ways you can do that. The first way is actually go onto YouTube and have an app called VidIQ linked to your YouTube. All you have to do is click on the sandwich button. And by the way, I actually left the link down below this video. You can actually access VidIQ through it. And all you have to do is click the sandwich button and go onto most viewed. Here, you can actually have a selection of the videos that you can choose from. And the second method is to simply go onto Google and type YouTube trending. You click on this and you will actually be directed to a page like this where you will have categories of videos that you can actually choose from. And let me tell you honestly, I will actually go onto the gaming category, gaming niche, and will select a gaming video that according to me, people will watch. So I'm actually finding a lot of videos on this character called Brimstone here. So I'm actually going to select a video, for example, this video. So all you have to do is step number 2 now is to open that video you actually selected. All right, so I'm actually going to open it in this tab here and click on pause. Now, step number 2, we are actually going to download the thumbnail of this video, which we are going to use, and I'm going to show you where. So for this, we will need to go to a website called youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com. Here, we're going to copy the URL of this video. Copy the URL of this video, and we're actually going to paste it here, and we're actually going to click on get thumbnail. And we are actually going to download the HD thumbnail here. So the image has been downloaded. And next we're going to move to step 3, which is to go to a place where there is online traffic. Okay, so you can actually go onto forums if you want to, but I have the best place that anyone can go to and start getting views and make money. And that place is actually called Pinterest. So make sure to actually create a free account on Pinterest. And once you have created your account, we are going to spam everyone with our links. I'm just kidding. Spamming is not how I work, because spamming will only make you lose credibility and get you blocked, reported, or even banned. So no spamming, guys. What I'm going to show you is a method that will actually grow you in the long run and make you passive money. And with that, we are actually going to create a pin on Pinterest. And this is where we come to step number 4, is to go onto a website called canva.com. This website is, like I said, is gonna be free. All you have to do is create a free account. All right. And in here, you can actually create tons of graphic images, and you don't need to actually learn graphic designing to actually create this kind of stuff. And I'm going to show you how you can create that. So all you get to do is go on to create a design, and we're going to create a pin. So you can actually look for Pinterest pin. So I'm going to select this, and a new tab will be open where the pin tab for my dimension will be opened here. The next thing that you can do is the image you actually downloaded, you can actually click on it and drag it here. And guys, here we are. The image has actually been uploaded. And let me actually increase the size of this here. All right. Now, as you can see, does it fit it? But we are going to enlarge it here like this. Okay. And I'm going to make it bigger. And we're going to leave this here because we are actually going to write something. For example, what is the title of this video? Let me actually quickly check it. Like, why don't you just respect brim main? Okay, I'm going to use this as a hook. We're going to use it as a hook. So we're going to put I'm sorry, this is the pro version, so we are actually going to use free stuff. So let me close this. We're going to use a simple headline. We're going to select this here, so we're going to move it and write it like this. And the font size, let's change it to like Spartan. Okay, no, I don't like it too much. And then, so you can actually select the font style that you want. Okay, and we're going to put some effect on it. Let me change the font style. Like, I don't like it too much. Yeah, this one is kind of like popping, but again, you can actually play with it and look for a font size that actually fits you. Okay, and we are actually going to put something like a square, like a layer. So we are going to put this. Very quickly here. Let's put it red, and you can actually choose your color here, and I'm actually going to copy and paste it here, drag it down a little. Viral video must watch, and I can actually change the font, put it white here. Okay, and I can actually do this like play button, and put this here. I can actually change the color, put it white, put it red, put it gray, whatever you want. Okay, so it pops. Now, this we're done. This is the pin we created, and the way we're going to download it is click on share, go on to download, and you can download it on PNG. You click on download and you're done. Now, once we actually created our pin, we actually need to upload it on Pinterest. So we're going to go on Pinterest now, and we're going to go on to create and create a pin. All right, now once you're here, we're going to click on here and upload it right here. So once you actually upload your pin, you're actually going to write your title, and it can be brim main 1 versus 5, and you can actually write your description. I'm actually going to leave this to you, but this is where it gets interesting, guys. This is where we're going to make money, and we're going to paste a link in here. So this link will actually allow us to make money. And first, we're going to jump into step number 5. What we're going to do is we're going to go here, copy the YouTube URL, and we're going to go into a link to a website called shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a website that will allow us to make money. And what you have to do is create your account in here. Once you create your account, you will see that you will be gifted $1 for creating an account. And we are actually going to paste our YouTube URL here. So once we paste, this website will actually shorten our link and give us a small link of Shrink Me. And this is the link that we are going to use. However, if we go into Pinterest, we actually paste it here. Pinterest sometimes allows it, but sometimes like blocks it, doesn't let us publish it. So what we are going to do now is we're actually going to go onto a website called Linktree. I will actually leave the link below. And what we're going to do is sign up for free. This is free, guys. All right. So what Linktree does, it's like a middleman that allows users to click on this link and go onto the link we want them to go. So once you actually create your account, you can actually add a link. So we're going to click on add a link in here, and the title, let's actually put the title viral video to watch, and here is the URL. All right, here's the URL. And once we're done, here this is how it appears. All right, viral video to watch. Once we're done, we can actually copy this link in here, copy, and we're going to go into Pinterest. We're going to paste our link in here. Okay, and the next step to do is simple. On Pinterest, when you post, you need to actually create a board. So you can actually create a board, for example, viral video to watch, and you click on create and you publish it on your Pinterest, and this is done. Now, for everyone who will click on your pin and click on the link to proceed to watch the video, you will be paid, because what Shrink Me does, it first directs traffic to a page where there are ads, and this is how they are paid and will actually pay you. If you guys want me to do a detailed video on Shrink Me, let me know in the comments below. I will do a full detailed video on Shrink Me and how you are paid. So if you keep creating pins like these and linking viral videos with Shrink Me, you will be making passive money online. But guys, I will be honest with you. I'm a realist guy, and I'm not gonna lie. This method is not something that will help you make a full-time living online and make you $100 a day. This method is simply you trading your time for money, and it's very little money on top of that. You won't be making a lot of money with this, but if you want to make more money online, then check out the link that says my #1 recommendation to start an online business below in the description box. This is what that has helped me go from a broke, jobless mechanical engineer to a full-time online entrepreneur. What you will find after clicking on this link is the only way that has given me the opportunity to travel to places around the world. It has helped me taste delicious food and has let me live a life of freedom that you might be looking for. This has not only worked for me, but has worked for other men and women who went to make money online and were able to leave their soul-sucking, boring, and soul-draining 9-to-5 job. So again, get access to the link below if you want to make more money and get you the life you truly deserve. And as always, if you found value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this that will show you ways on how to make money online. This is Joyce Mito signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.